In this video, we will cover up the other important points related to this policy. So the first point is road tax and registration fee shall be waived for all electric vehicle. नेक्स्ट इज जो भी इंसेंटिव इस पॉलिसी के अंडर प्रोवाइड किया गया है, चाहे परचेज इंसेंटिव या स्क्रैपिंग इंसेंटिव, वो डायरेक्टली रजिस्टर्ड ओनर को प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा. नेक्स्ट इज इंटरेस्ट सबवेंशन ऑफ 5% ऑफर्ड इन दी व्हीकल कैटेगरीज ऑफ ई ऑटो, ई रिक्शा, ई कार्ड्स एंड गुड्स कैरियर्स would be applicable if the loan is availed from DFC, Delhi Finance Corporation, and other impaneled providers of DFC. The last point is all electric vehicles shall be issued a green number plate. Now we will talk about the charging infrastructure. Here we will learn about private charging points. The policy document states that changes in building bylaws shall be made to make all new home and workplace parking EV ready, with 20% of all vehicle holding capacity required to be electric vehicle ready. Additionally, the building premises shall have an additional power load equivalent to the power required for all charging points to be operated simultaneously with a safety factor of 1.25. Next point is all existing residential and non-residential building owners shall be encouraged to install private charging points within their premises. These charging points shall especially provide shared access to electric vehicle charging for residents of group housing societies and multi-story apartment complexes. The Government of Delhi shall provide a grant of 100% for the purchase of charging equipment up to Rs 6,000 per charging point for the first 30,000 charging points. The last point is customers of all DISCOMs operating in Delhi shall provide the facility to purchase a private charging point online at a price net of Government of Delhi grant and request for charger installation at their premises. The DISCOM shall install chargers at customer premises as requested and recover the additional installation related charges from the electricity bill. Now here we will learn about the public charging points. Policy का key objective है is to provide accessible public charging facilities within 3 km travel from anywhere in Delhi. A working group on accelerated rollout of charging infrastructure in Delhi has already been established by the Power Department. Next point is energy operators shall be invited to set up charging and battery swapping stations across Delhi in multiple phases by porting and providing concessional locations for charging station at bare minimum lease rentals. The Government of Delhi shall provide a capital subsidy for the cost of chargers installation expenses to the selected energy operators. No operational subsidy shall be provided to the energy operators. The last point is electricity tariff applicable for all public and captive charging stations for commercial use shall be notified by DERC tariff schedule. DERC, that is Delhi Electricity Regulatory Commission. Next हम बात करेंगे बैटरी रिसाइकलिंग के बारे में. बैटरी रिप्लेसमेंट वुड बी रिक्वायर्ड जब बैटरीज डिग्रेड होती हैं ऑपरेटिंग एट 70 to 80% ऑफ देयर कैपेसिटीज़, और एक्सपेक्ट किया जा रहा है कि 10 साल के लाइफ स्पैन में 2 बैटरीज की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी. The next point is the policy shall encourage the reuse of EV batteries that have reached the end of their life and setting up of recycling businesses in collaboration with the battery and EV manufacturers that will focus on urban mining of rare materials within the battery for reuse by battery manufacturers. So last we will cover up about another objective of this policy, that is creating jobs. तो जैसा कि एक्सपेक्ट किया जा रहा है कि इस पॉलिसी से लार्ज नंबर ऑफ न्यू जॉब्स विल बी क्रिएटेड, बी इट बी ड्राइवर्स, चार्जिंग स्टेशन ऑपरेटर्स एंड मैकेनिक्स. सो इन सभी के लिए वोकेशनल कोर्सेज भी डिज़ाइन किए जाएंगे. दीज कोर्सेज विल बी डिलीवर्ड थ्रू वर्ल्ड क्लास स्किल सेंटर सेटअप बाय गवर्नमेंट ऑफ दिल्ली. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज WCSC shall offer short retraining courses for IC mechanics who would like to be trained in repairing and servicing of EVs. These part-time courses shall be offered through the year at concessional fees. The next point is Government of Delhi shall conduct a regular recruitment fair for private sector recruiters. And the last point of this video is a center of excellence shall be set up at one of the center or state universities within Delhi and shall be funded by the Delhi government. This center will focus on design and use of EVs, improving the usage and efficiencies of EVs and charging equipments.